In this video, I will show you how to remove Gmail account from other devices or log out Gmail account from other devices right from your phone. Open up your Gmail app. Click on the profile icon. Click on Manage Google Account. Click on Security and Sign In. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down and click on Manage All Devices. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to review all devices that is having access to your Gmail account. Scroll down and review everything. If you find out that there is unrecognized device on your Gmail account, all you have to do is to remove them from the device. For that, go ahead and select the device. For instance, I'm going to select this. Verify your account identity. And it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to simply click on sign out right here. So once you click on sign out right here, the Gmail account is going to be removed from the other device. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.